Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the suspension of the Thailand Pass. A lot of people have been asking me about this, and yes, it does appear that the Thailand Pass has been suspended at least until presumably January 4th, 2022. Quoting directly from a recent article from ASEAN Now, that's ASEANnow.com. Article is titled, Thailand Suspends Thailand Pass and Test and Go. Quoting directly, Thailand's Prime Minister Prayut Chan-o-cha has ordered the immediate suspension of new registrations for Thailand Pass and at the same time reinstated mandatory quarantine effective immediately. Quoting further, the PM announced on Tuesday afternoon that Test and Go will be put on hold until at least January 4th, 2022. So that is currently where we stand on this. It looks like through the holiday season, the Western holiday season, and then through the Western New Year, we are not going to have Thailand Pass as an option to be able to come into Thailand. Now, as we've discussed in other videos, and as I've discussed in videos contemporaneously with this one, all is not lost. There may be other options. It does appear, and I'm going to do a deep dive on this in another video, does appear that the sort of suspension of the Thailand Pass kind of is resulting in the resurrection, if you will, of the certificate of entry, which I know is not going to make a lot of people overly happy because the certificate of entry is something of a cumbersome process in order to enter Thailand. But the other thing is, as we've discussed in other videos, those who already have a Thailand Pass do appear to be able to use it so long as it's an issued Thailand Pass on an approved itinerary. Again, as I've stated in other videos, how that's practically going to play out remains to be seen, and we're going to keep people updated as best we can on that. But for now, if you haven't done anything to come into Thailand, you haven't secured a visa, secured a Thailand Pass, made any sort of bookings or anything, bear in mind that from this late stage of December going to January 4th, the Thailand Pass is suspended. I think we can presume it's going to stay that way until Jan 4. You know, if and when it changes on that date, we'll certainly update you at that time.